Once they were one. Now their visions drift apart. One rose to rule with iron and ice. One held the roots, the flame, the life. North side, ice, order, empire, Laurasia. South side, roots, beasts, and fire, Gondwana. Two plates, one fault line, one fault line. Let the battle walk.
I stayed whole when the crust split clean. Watch you run north through a smoke machine. Said you found order but lost the land. I kept the breath while you drew your brand. From Sahara dust to Antarctic stone, my bones stay still while yours were thrown. You fled the crack like it set you free, but even your drift was pulled from me.
You call that root, I call it drag. Clinging to history like it's a flag. You held position, I sparked the shift. I formed the arc, you missed the lift. From Laurasia to Baltic rise, I turned the break into enterprise. You talk of one, then claim the past, but split we did and moved too fast.
I raised the titan skin like hills, lay fern and flame, where silence stills. Tectonic stomped the southern crest. You hatched the hunters, I fed the rest. My forest breathed through heavy mist. Your frost bit down, I still exist. Even your bird traced back my name. Radish rise from Gondwana flame.
I turned claw into coordination, thanks to Pax predation nation. Tyrannosaurs ruled my line, not just size, we hunted in time. While you grew giant, slow and wide, I trained the speed you couldn't ride. And when the skies began to fall, it wasn't bulk that lived it all.
You felt the cold, I warmed the soul. Homo rose where savannas roll. First steps echoed on my dirt. Not your tundra, not your hurt. Africa sparked the thinking thread. My rocks remember where reason bled. You scaled the wall, I shaped the mind. I lit the fire, you trailed behind.
You sparked the fire, I forged the strike. Turned stone to blade, thought to spike. I tracked the herd beyond the range. Crossed bear and ice, embraced the change. You held the root, I made it run. My mind did more than bask in sun. And what's the point in laying claim if you can't name the stars you frame?
You name them cold, I worship heat. River gods with fertile feet. From now to Andes, temple rise. My scripts came first beneath your skies. I built with hand, you built with law. But every code first drew from all. While you made empire golden toll, I held the soul that gave it roll.
You say the soul, I claimed the scheme. You drew the glyph, I built the beam. You chanted stars, I shaped their path. Turned worship into geograph. And while your kings wore sun on head, mine laid stone where borders bled. Before the gun and charter line, you ruled with fear, I ruled with sign.
Then came chains, then came fleets. You took the mines, renamed the streets. Ripped the roots and claimed the grain. Built your world on southern pain. But I endure and fang and fight in Casserary, Croc and Night. You sail and scan but can't contain the pulse I hum beneath your train.
You hide in wild, I run the grid. Tamed the wolf, made power bid. From silicone to orbital streams, I turned the roots into machine dreams. But still your beast outmatching tooth. Mine dominate impacts and truth. While you stay raw, I network fire. This age is built on cold empire.
Still split. Still circling. Not one, not war, just tangled motion. Their roots diverge, their edges meet. Gondwana, Laurasia, moving. Still.